If you're struggling to get views on YouTube, it's probably not because your content is bad. It's because you're guessing. YouTube already tells you what your audience really wants. And a lot of creators lose out because they never ever open this tab on their dashboard on YouTube. So by the end of this video, you will know where to click, what numbers matter, how to turn search data into video ideas that get views. So why does this matter to you? YouTube pushes views based on the viewer's behavior. If YouTube sees that the audience likes a particular type of content, YouTube pushes video within the category that the audience likes to watch. For example, if a particular audience enjoys watching videos on fitness, if you are the type of person that does content around fitness, then YouTube begins to push your videos to that particular audience because of past behavior on fitness videos. The second is YouTube pushes videos on search demand. If a particular audience searches for a particular type of video, for example, how to grow beans, YouTube then categorizes this type of audience and then pushes content around that search demand towards that type of audience. YouTube pushes videos based on retention and watch time. The longer an audience stays to watch a particular video, this is actually telling the algorithm that there is something particularly interesting about that video, the particular value that is given in that video that might be interesting to a particular audience. And then YouTube pushes this video because of high retention and watch time to the right audience in a certain category. So if people are searching for something and you provide it very clearly, YouTube then helps you. So search traffic is intent traffic. These viewers want an answer to their question. They want a solution to their problem. Now you want to find out if your video has that. Here is how to go about it. On your desktop computer, go to YouTube Studio. Click Analytics, click Advanced Mode, top right. On the left, click Breakdown. Select Traffic Source. Scroll and click on YouTube Search. Now you can see real results that this is not guesswork. It is evidence that you can actually get data on what your audience searches that leads them to your videos. YouTube Search can give you high watch time. It can also help you with high retention because you can directly see what the audience is searching. Then you know what your audience likes. You know how to make your videos, what to concentrate on to actually give value to your audience. It's best for monetization, it's best for evergreen content, and it helps you to build trust with your audience. Browse features are algorithm driven. It works best after search success. Now I'm explaining all of this to you because this is on your dashboard in your analytics section. Every single section on that dashboard displays all of these terminologies that I am explaining to you so that when you see it, know what it is and know how best to use it to understand your audience, to know what they want, and also to give value to your audience. YouTube Search builds the foundation in your YouTube journey. Suggested scales it up. So what are the things to look out for when you get this data on your YouTube search? Check for decent views. Check for strong watch time. Look out for good average view duration on your dashboard. For example, a video with fewer views but longer watch time equals gold. This means that people found what they were looking for. You solved a problem. You gave an answer to a question. You gave a solution to a problem. Because of this, YouTube trusts your content and has pushed it to the right audience. Your audience. Looking at YouTube search, have a look at what your audience searches In addition to what we looked at previously on YouTube search, understand why your audience searches. This will give you the ability to understand your audience and know what to do in your next video. So if people are already searching your videos, you don't need to beg them to click. Have an example. I've got a particular video that solves a particular problem. It gives answer to a question. It gives solution to a problem. Whenever I go to my dashboard to check my YouTube search, I see the different search terms that my audience puts in that guides and leads them back to my videos, and they get value for that. Common mistakes you need to avoid when making your content. Avoid guessing topics. YouTube has already provided you with a dashboard that's got analytics with your channel's data. Go in there, look at all the different areas and features. See which area you want to concentrate on to make your next video. YouTube search suggests your video in a particular topic, in a particular niche to your audience. Use this as a key to unlock great possibilities for your channel and your niche. Avoid making your titles emotional but unclear. People need to understand what they're about to step into, what they're about to watch, merely looking at your thumbnail. It gives them the ability to decide if your content can actually solve their problem or give them solution. Another mistake to avoid is ignoring search in favor of trends. Don't just jump into any trend. Concentrate on your niche, using the YouTube search to give real answers to real questions and solutions to real problems. Another to avoid is uploading without checking your analytics. Don't just upload. Use the data that's been provided to you by YouTube to understand what is working on your channel and what isn't working on your channel. What to do and what to avoid. This will give you a better understanding of how to give value to your audience, how to meet the needs of your audience, because different people come to YouTube to get answers to their questions. They're here for different reasons. So if you want consistent views, stop chasing virality, trends, and start following data, using the data on your dashboard provided to you by YouTube. It is free. You don't have to pay for it. You just need to use it. Thank you for watching my video. My name is Debbie James. If you want me to do a part 2 of this video, comment search. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.